This is your hints video for lesson 2.2, translations. So first I have number 5 and number 6. We're just telling whether this blue figure is a translation of the red figure. And I can see that for number 5, it looks like the figure has been flipped. It's not facing the same direction. So this is not, I'm going to say is not a translation because it has some kind of a flip that's happened. Number 7, on the other hand, though, if I just move, I slide this figure down and to the left, the blue figure is a translation of the red figure. All right, on this next problem, we're going to translate the triangle 4 units to the right and 3 units down. So I'm going to take J and move it over 1, 2, 3, 4 units to the right and 1, 2, 3 down. So this is going to be J prime right here, which is at 3, 0. Then I'm going to do the same thing with K. I'm going to move it 1, 2, 3, 4 places to the right and 1, 2, 3 down. So I have K prime right here at 3, negative 2. And then L prime, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right and 1, 2, 3 down. So this is L prime, which is at 0, negative 2. So those are my 3 coordinates. And you can see that when we draw that triangle, it is congruent. I'm going to skip number 11 and let you do that one on your own. All right, this next problem, it gives us the vertices of a triangle. We need to draw the figure and its image after the translation, which will be 1 unit to the left and 6 units up. So let's start by drawing the triangle. I have a point at 0, 1. This is L. And then I have a point at 1, negative 2. That's M. So L, M. And then N is at negative 2, positive 1. So this is N right here. So we're going to draw that figure. And then I'm going to draw the image after the translation. So let me draw that in red. I'm going to take L and I'm going to move it 1 unit to the left and 6 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is going to be L prime right here at negative 1, 7. Then I'm going to do the same thing with M, 1 to the left and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is going to be M prime at 0, 4. And then N, 1 to the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up. This is going to be N prime, which is at negative 3, 7. So if I go ahead and connect the vertices, you can see that those triangles appear to be congruent. Okay, on number 14, I have the same original triangle I started with, which is 0, 1 is L, 1, negative 2 is M, and negative 2, 1 is N. So here's my original triangle. This time, instead of being told to move left or right, I have X plus 2 and Y plus 3. So whatever my X value is, I'm going to add 2. So for L, instead of 0, 1, L prime will be at 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. And on the Y value, I'm going to add 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So L prime will be at 2, 4. M prime will be at 1 plus 2 is 3. And negative 2 plus 3 is 1. So M prime is at 3, 1 right here. And N prime, I'm going to do negative 2 plus 2 is 0. And 1 plus 3 is 4. So 0, 4. This is going to be N prime. And you can see our 2 congruent triangles. All right, next we have 2 points, and we're going to describe the translation from going from the first point to the second point. So if we look at their x values, their x coordinates, We have 3 and then 1. So that's getting 2 smaller. So that would be 2 to the left. And then when we compare our y coordinates, -2 going to 0, that's getting 2 bigger. So that would be 2 up based on the y coordinates. And then we'll do the same thing with this last one where we have a translation drawn on the coordinate grid. The translation from red to blue, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units to the right. And then 1, 2, 3 down, 3 units down.